In the ever-evolving world of modern agriculture, farmers are expected to make decisions that can make or break the success of their operations. Few decisions carry as much weight as choosing the right tractor. In 2025, the market is crowded with machines boasting the latest technology, bold promises of efficiency, and sleek designs that look ready for the future. Yet beneath the surface, not every tractor is created equal. Some are more about marketing hype than genuine performance, while others struggle with reliability, cost, or practicality. As farms become more data-driven and margins tighten, investing in the wrong tractor can leave you with nothing but mounting repair bills, downtime in the fields, and frustration. This is why knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to buy. One of the most prominent problems plaguing tractors in 2025 is over-reliance on proprietary software. Several manufacturers have embraced the trend of turning farm equipment into highly computerized machines, which may sound appealing to farmers hoping to optimize every operation. However, many of these tractors lock the operator out of essential repair functions. This means that something as simple as replacing a sensor or recalibrating a system requires a visit from an authorized technician. The cost of such visits adds up quickly, and worse, they often lead to long delays in the middle of planting or harvest season. A tractor that refuses to run because the onboard computer won't clear an error code is not just inconvenient, it's a liability. Machines that put too much control in the hands of manufacturers while stripping autonomy from farmers are ones to avoid no matter how impressive the brochure makes them seem. Another category of tractors you should not consider in 2025 are the budget imports flooding the market with low price tags and big promises. On the surface, these tractors may appear to offer unbeatable value, giving farmers horsepower at half the cost of established brands. Yet the reality is usually far more sobering. Many of these machines are built with substandard materials, and parts availability becomes a nightmare once something breaks down. Worse, warranties are often vague or impossible to enforce, especially when dealing with companies that have little infrastructure outside their home country. A tractor that cannot be repaired quickly, or one that spends more time in the shed waiting for replacement parts than in the field, will cost you far more than you save up front. Cheap doesn't equal efficient, and in agriculture, downtime is the enemy of profitability. Overcomplicated hybrid models also deserve caution in 2025. While the world continues to transition toward cleaner energy solutions, not every tractor that touts hybrid or electric capabilities is a wise investment. Some manufacturers rush these models to market without properly testing them under real farm conditions. The result is a machine that struggles with battery life, lacks the torque to handle heavy implements, or suffers from untested systems that break down under stress. These tractors often work well in theory and in controlled environments, but fail in the messy, demanding realities of agriculture. For small farms, the maintenance costs of experimental technology can become unsustainable. And for larger farms, the risk of reduced productivity is simply too great. Until the technology matures and demonstrates consistent reliability, farmers should be wary of flashy, eco-friendly models that put marketing ahead of performance. Then there are the oversized tractors marketed to smaller operations. In 2025, manufacturers continue to push massive, high-horsepower machines loaded with GPS systems and advanced sensors and fully automated features. These tractors can be extraordinary assets for large industrial-scale farms with thousands of acres to cover. However, for mid-sized or small farms, they are often overkill. Beyond the astronomical purchase price, these tractors are expensive to maintain, require significant fuel, and often cannot navigate tighter fields or smaller plots efficiently. Buying a machine that is too large for your operation is not just a waste of resources, it can actively harm your farm's financial health. The mismatch between tractor size and farm scale is a mistake farmers should avoid in 2025, no matter how alluring the promise of automation might seem. Another type of tractor to steer clear of this year is the model that prioritizes gadgetry over durability. Some brands have taken to filling their machines with touchscreens, AI-driven controls, and voice command systems, all in the name of modernizing farming. While this technology can be appealing, it also introduces new points of failure. A cracked screen, a malfunctioning sensor, or a failed update can render these tractors unusable until a fix is found. Worse, the constant software updates demanded by some brands create disruptions rather than improvements. Farming is a rugged business, and tractors must be able to withstand dust, mud, rain, and constant hard use. A machine that places more emphasis on acting like a smartphone than performing as a workhorse is one to leave on the dealer's lot. The issue of fuel efficiency also separates the tractors you should avoid in 2025 from the ones worth investing in. Some manufacturers still rely on outdated engine designs that burn through fuel at an alarming rate, despite the rising costs of diesel. These tractors may offer raw horsepower, but they do so at the expense of long-term affordability. With input costs already squeezing farmers, fuel-hungry models are a mistake that will drain your bottom line. Machines that fail to prioritize efficiency in the current era of rising energy costs are relics of the past, even if they carry a modern logo. Choosing such a tractor in 2025 is akin to tying a lead weight to your farm's finances. It is also important to avoid tractors that lack meaningful after-sales support. A machine is only as good as the network that stands behind it. Unfortunately, some brands push aggressively into the market without establishing the dealer infrastructure necessary to support customers. Farmers who buy into these tractors quickly find themselves stranded when service is needed. Whether it's the absence of trained mechanics, lack of replacement parts, or poor warranty follow-through, a tractor without reliable support is a disaster waiting to happen. In 2025, with machinery more complex than ever before, after-sales support is not a luxury, but a necessity. Choosing a tractor from a company that cannot provide it is a risk too great to take. Finally, avoid models that sacrifice operator comfort and safety in pursuit of cutting costs. Farming often requires long days in the cab, and poorly designed tractors lead to fatigue, back problems, and slower work. In 2025, when ergonomics and safety standards are more advanced than ever, there is no reason to settle for a tractor that makes the operator's job harder. Machines that lack adequate suspension, climate control, or visibility may be cheaper, but they will cost you dearly in reduced productivity and potential health issues. Safety features such as rollover protection, reliable braking systems, and visibility enhancements should not be considered optional. Any tractor that cuts corners here belongs on the do not buy list. When making decisions about farm equipment in 2025, it is tempting to be swayed by cutting-edge features, low prices, or high horsepower. But the tractors to avoid are the ones that overpromise and underdeliver, the ones that put farmers at the mercy of software or unreliable supply chains, the ones that prioritize style over substance. The best tractor is not necessarily the most modern or the cheapest. It is the one that consistently works when you need it, fits the scale of your operation, and can be maintained without excessive hassle or cost. Farmers in 2025 face unique pressures, from volatile markets to unpredictable weather, and the last thing any operation can afford is a machine that undermines rather than supports productivity. By steering clear of the wrong tractors, those that lean on gimmicks, compromise reliability, or ignore practical realities, you can focus on the machines that will truly serve your farm. Investing wisely means resisting the lure of marketing trends and focusing instead on proven durability, strong support networks, and the right fit for your farm's size and needs. The tractors you do not buy are just as important as the ones you do. In 2025, let caution guide your choices, because the future of your farm depends on more than horsepower or glossy advertisements. It depends on machines that can endure, deliver, and adapt to the real challenges of agriculture.